Whoa, what's up, dude? All right, another day, and got the trailer on the back. I feel like this is how I start every single freaking video now. It used to be like, I mean, honestly, it used to just be like I started out at a skate park, and lately we've been on a build kick. So today we are attempting to get some of the pallets for the walls. We're actually gonna go to Marcel's dad's job where they like, I don't know why, I didn't really ask too many questions. They just have a bunch of pallets. Dax loves himself some Team Orange, that's for sure. Here's some straps. 1, 2, and we'll get 3 freaking bucks. The pallet hookup. Hey, thanks to your dad, Henrik. I just learned your dad's name.
I know, right? Shout out Henrik.
Great guy. My least favorite part, strapping this shit up.
Holy. Damn, 3 legal.
All right, we're all loaded up. Good to go. Thanks, Henrik. So this is what we're talking about here, folks. Look at this. This is the look we're going here for. We got that many pallets in there right now. It's gonna take a lot of pallets to do this. We officially got the first wall done on the whole building. That looks crazy. Keep rain out? Not perfectly, but it'll be better than nothing. It's pretty sick, man.
Free walls.
Free walls. $0 spent on this. That's what we like. Yeah, that's what I like to see.
Except for a $300 drill and
yeah.
$50 worth of screws.
Yeah, literally, like, yeah, something like that.
That was free.
But look, from back here, that is gonna look insane when it's all done. Trey's stacking to the second wall. Hey, what are you doing? Are you digging a hole to put your pizza inside of? All right, real quick before you guys get any further into this video, I just want to let you guys know that for this stuff, for this month giveaway, for the frame, fork, and bar combo, right now on the web store for the next 2 hours, I'm running a crazy mega sale. Everything's going to be on a flash sale real quick, and everything is also going to be a 2x entry. So we got the boxes that are 10 entries, so that'll be 20 entries, and then every other item, it's 1 entry, so now those will be 2 entries for the next 2 hours only, and everything's on sale. Let's get rid of this drop. Let's get everything off these shelves and get ready for next month, because I got something in store for next month too, revolving around Swamp Fest. We got the whole first like main wall done halfway. Damn, look at that. Dave bringing the first gift out here. All right, we're gonna load her up.
What the hell these are? Sockets? Where do you put them in? What the hell?
Yeah, I guess you hold the sockets.
Slide socket rail.
Yeah, you slide your sockets on there. We don't need those though. So what are you thinking of doing? You want to build a toolbox, the whole bench on the back wall? Like that would be where we'll put all our tools. And then we're kind of talking about possibly down the road, maybe doing like a second level, which would be crazy, but I don't know how feasible that is right now. But and then obviously this was where you pull your car in to work on. Maybe get the welder set up over in that corner over there because it'll be closest to the generator.
Trey has that steel table Dan gave him. We should bring that out here.
Oh, damn, yeah. Yep, that'd be sweet.
Plasma cutter.
Bring the plasma cutter out here. I did get that plasma cutter. Have not had a chance to use it yet. We tested it out on a bumper of mine, but I have not actually got to fully put it to use on something, so we'll do that. Oh, man. Look at that. Dan's on the electric sweeper today. Hey, he stole your job, dude. He stole your job. There's 2. You can. Oh shit! God damn!
I heard the poof and I was...
That genuinely scared the actual shit out of me, man. Holy crap!
Just stand there and Sasha go. This thing broke.
There you go. Jabe, you can't sweep the concrete away. It don't work like that. Trey, skater boy.
Oh,
Oh!
God. I'm gonna hit that freaking thing.
This, the pad is just full of like little obstacles for skateboards. Like there's little pebbles, pine needles. Trey's alter ego. Skater Trey.
You better take that deal, because that's absolutely ridiculous.
I'll Venmo you $100. You get an ice pick stall in that McDonald's quarter.
Ew. The minute those words came out of your mouth, you fully regretted it.
No, he gets one shot at it. If you do it first try, you get $100. Why wouldn't you try?
God,
So,
go up. What do you mean? Why do I need to explain to you how to ice pick a quarter pipe?
$100 is like 500.
That's like being like, they'll play in the supposed to be like, so, ride. Bunny hop? Thing ride? Yep, that's how you do it.
That's pretty much how Trey has to explain
Go up
tricks.
the quarter pipe, ice it, and come back in.
That's how Trey has to explain tricks for me. All right, big
Just
dog.
commit to going in no matter what. Don't go there and sit like you and Jay for some reason like teeter like this. Like,
If your peg gets
yeah, go up, stall, and come back in.
If peg gets into it, they count.
No shot.
Ah, dude, you're
Hit the big boy heel.
My foot.
Ruined it. I would have Venmoed you $100.
You're burned. You're just burned.
I will never bet money against that man right there while he's on his bike.
Burned.
I would bet. Wow, that was sick.
Oh, you just burnt.
I would bet Trey money on his feet that he couldn't do a physical task, but when he's on that bike, no way. He's way too agile.
Money on Trey's feet.
Inside of his chest, his heart or whatever. Yeah. I want to build that inside me and film everything.
It
at
was
all
called
times.
an arc reactor.
Really?
It's called an arc reactor.
How do you know all this weird shit like that? Are you like weirdly like? Are you into the Avenger movies and all that stuff? You like them?
I've loved superhero stuff since I was a little kid.
How did I not know that? I've known you for so long.
Dude, I've loved superhero stuff since I was like a little kid. Like comic books, all of it. All the nerdy shit. I loved it.
All about it.
Wow, I just so happened to get that a little
Pretty
bit.
impressive, dude. Yeah, with the
Insert the photo now.
Marcel. This is Marcel, everybody, when he doesn't hang out with us. This is him and his boys. You know? He's got his bike friends, and then he's got his friends.
Biker friends.
Yeah, biker friends and your friends.
I'd say they're friends and then school friends. Like, friends is like the core. This is like the core.
Yeah, your school friends are gonna watch this and
Hey, let everyone know what your concerns are when it comes to like BMX, and it's like do the analogy that you always say.
I told Jabe that the sun is the bike, and everything goes like this.
So BMX is always
bike.
BMX is always first, and everything else goes around it. Girls, school, everything.
Wow! That's so skinny. That's a skinny quarter pipe. We played stump with this hammer before, and this thing is kind of cool, but now we got the sledgehammer.
What?
Marcel, show the weapon.
No, I
Yeah,
can't even
one-handed
flip
catch.
this thing.
One-handed catch?
I've hurt myself.
All right.
Yeah,
Did you work out? You feel?
No, I'm just, yeah.
Big boy goes first because he won.
Oh, right into the shin. Big old hematoma.
Oh my god!
Oh.
Oh! He almost got Dan all the way down in one.
I'm sorry, there's a soft spot right here.
The soft spot.
No, yeah,
hey, what's this
you're
thing?
right. There is a soft spot right there.
What's this thing?
Watch my truck, Dan. Takes out my
I'd be
fucking.
happier if Dan hit Big Boy's truck with a sledgehammer. No, literally, it would be more enjoyable to watch.
Careful, dude. You could hurt yourself. What if you miss and hit your own screw? Smacks!
And that's definitely not the quote. Wow! I don't think that's possible with one hand.
Damn.
Country man's a winner.
Damn, Daniel.
How you better?
Damn, Daniel.